The Iron Duke, from seaside icon to glorious revival. Welcome to Great Yarmouth, where the sea breeze whispers stories of the past, and standing proud among those stories is a sleeping giant, the Iron Duke. This striking Art Deco pub first opened its doors in 1938. Named after Arthur Wellesley, the first Duke of Wellington, the Iron Duke quickly became a beacon for locals and holidaymakers alike. Its design, unmistakably bold, sweeping curves, chrome finishes, a structure that looked like it had sailed straight out of an ocean liner's blueprint, perfectly fitting for a town with salt in its veins. Built by Lacons Brewery, a name deeply etched in Norfolk's brewing history, the Iron Duke was more than a pub. It was an experience. Inside it boasted elegant woodwork, mirrored walls, and a sense of glamour rare for a seaside watering hole. It was a place where families gathered, friends laughed, and soldiers once toasted farewells during World War II. But like many great landmarks, time had other plans. By the early 2000s, the Iron Duke had lost its sparkle. Closed since 2008, it sat in quiet decay, a grand ship run aground, boarded up, forgotten, and weathered by the sea air. Yet, not entirely forgotten, locals fought for its legacy. In 2021, the Great Yarmouth Preservation Trust stepped in, and with support from the National Lottery Heritage Fund, they began crafting a bold vision. Now the Iron Duke is preparing to rise once more. Restoration plans are already underway, carefully peeling back decades to reveal its 1930s glory. Lacons Ale will flow once again at its bar. The once forgotten upstairs rooms will become holiday stays, and its old restaurant, reimagined as the Iron Chop House, bringing heritage and hospitality back under one glorious roof. But this isn't just about bricks and beams, it's about revival. It's about the stories still echoing through the walls, and the new ones waiting to be written. By 2026, this seaside icon will open its doors again. Not just as a pub, but as a symbol of what Great Yarmouth can become when we choose to honor the past and invest in the future. So next time you walk by, don't just see boarded windows, see promise, see pride, see the Iron Duke coming back to life. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories hidden in plain sight, right here on RoamingLensWalker.